What exactly is the dark web? The dark web, also known as the darknet, is a portion of the internet that is encrypted and cannot be accessed without special settings or authorization, and it is not indexed by search engines. Although it is sometimes portrayed as a place inhabited by criminal organizations, the dark web is used by those who require secrecy for completely legal purposes, such as the transmission of confidential business information or communication by political activists. An encrypted peer-to-peer P2P network connection, as well as an overlay network such as the Tor browser, can be used to transfer data. The ability of these networks to remain anonymous has contributed to the dark web's reputation as a hub for illegal activity. How can anyone access the dark web? The dark web cannot be accessed using standard browsers such as Firefox or Chrome. It is only accessible through specialized, anonymous browsers, such as Tor or the Invisible Internet Project, I2P, by routing web page requests through a network of proxy servers. This type of web browser conceals the user's identity and renders an IP address untraceable. Websites on the dark web have unusually named domains. As a result, users must be aware of the URL they intend to access ahead of time. In addition, dark web search engines are less popular and efficient than Google. Instead of .com or another well-known suffix, dark web URLs frequently end in .onion, a special use domain suffix. Furthermore, URLs for dark websites frequently combine letters and numbers, making them difficult to remember or locate. Who uses the dark web? As a platform for anonymous communication, the dark web initially drew hackers and criminals. It continues to be a haven for illegal activity, but it also has legal and legitimate applications. For example, the dark web allows users to communicate in settings or locations where free speech is not protected. Dark web social media networks include specialized clubs and Blockbook, dubbed the Facebook of Tor. The dark web is mostly used for shopping. Users can make any purchase on the dark web using cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin while remaining anonymous. This is ideal for illegal activities and covert services such as the following: hitmen, money laundering, the sale of credit cards, banks, or internet banking information, and the use of illegal materials such as are all examples of illegal activities. Purchasing and selling illegal substances, purchasing and selling counterfeit money, weapons acquisition and distribution. Is using the dark web illegal? No, the dark web is not illegal in and of itself, but it can be used to facilitate illegal activity. Furthermore, several trustworthy businesses and organizations have a presence on the dark web, and individual users may do so as well. Is there a distinction between the deep web and the dark web? Although they're not synonyms, the terms deep web and dark web are sometimes used interchangeably. The deep web is a subset of the black web that is smaller and less visible. The deep web and the dark web have one thing in common: neither can be found in search engine results. The main difference between them is how their content can be accessed. Deep web pages can be accessed by anyone with a standard web browser and URL. Dark web pages, on the other hand, necessitate specialized software, a decryption key, access privileges, and knowledge of the content's location. If the web were divided into 3 layers, the surface web, whose contents are indexed by search engines such as Google and Yahoo, would be the top layer. It is then followed by the deep web, which is then followed by the dark web.